Meaning of floaty.
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 Floaty. Floaty is an informal term used to describe something that has a light, airy, or weightless quality. It is often used to describe the movement or feel of objects or materials that seem to float or drift effortlessly, such as fabrics or balloons. In a broader sense, floaty can also refer to a dreamy or carefree state of mind, where thoughts or emotions seem to drift aimlessly without any real focus or purpose. Overall, floaty carries a sense of lightness, freedom, and ease that is often associated with a carefree or relaxed attitude.